Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Master English Hub podcast. Today, we're diving into a topic most of us experience: commuting. It's those moments that can turn your morning into a real-life saga, a story that unfolds every day.
Oh, absolutely. Commuting can feel like an adventure. Some mornings, getting to work feels like extreme sports, right? Just dodging through traffic or sprinting for a bus. It's totally wild.
Exactly. And it's not just about the time wasted. You leave home mentally prepared. But once you hit that wall of brake lights, it can turn what should be a 20-minute drive into, you won't believe it, 50 minutes of sheer agony.
Holy moly, that feels like an eternity. So, how do you deal with that? Because, honestly, it's stressful, but isn't it also a great chance to practice English, right?
Absolutely. Think about it. Simple phrases like, I'm stuck in traffic, or this is taking forever, can be real stress relievers, turning that frustration into something productive.
I see what you're saying. It's like, using a workout to take your mind off the pain. So, can you also incorporate tenses when you're in that situation?
Yes, definitely. You can practice narrative tenses as well, like saying, I've been stuck in traffic for half an hour. It's these small sentences that can help turn frustration into valuable learning moments.
Right. And then there's missing the bus. It's like the universe saying, surprise! You're going to be late! Isn't that just heartbreaking?
Exactly. But consider it an opportunity for conversational practice. You might say, I just missed the bus. I'll wait for the next one.
Oh. And what about public transport chaos? Crowded trains must provide even more practice. Just imagine saying, excuse me, could you please move over? Have you ever used that on a packed subway?
Oh, absolutely. It's a perfect scenario for practicing politeness. Plus, reading signs and schedules in English builds valuable vocabulary. Your commute can actually turn into a mini classroom.
Wow. Just the other day, I instinctively said, bless you, in English on the metro after someone sneezed, and the person turned and smiled. It felt amazing to use English like that.
That's fantastic. Everyday interactions like that are magical for language practice. Here's a neat tip. Try narrating your commute to yourself in English.
Ooh, that sounds fun. Like acting out your own little drama. For instance, if someone bumps into you on a crowded train, you might say, excuse me, please watch your step. It's like playing a character.
Yes, and humor is incredibly effective too. Picture this. You chase after the bus, frantically waving your arms and yelling, wait! It becomes a memorable story to share later. Narrating it in English? Even better.
So you're saying we should turn commuting chaos into mini stories. I can just imagine saying, this morning the train was so crowded, I had to stand for 30 minutes. Which is, totally relatable.
Exactly. Reflecting on past experiences like that helps with practicing tenses too. Yesterday, I missed the bus 3 times.
Wow. So do some people actually make commuting enjoyable by listening to podcasts or reading? I can't imagine how they do that amidst the chaos.
Yes. Many commuters thrive by making their time productive. Simple daily phrases are super helpful. Let's practice a few together, shall we?
Yes, please. I'm so ready, laughs.
All right, repeat after me. I'm running late.
I'm running late.
The traffic is terrible today.
The traffic is terrible today.
I just missed my bus.
I just missed my bus.
I need to catch the next train.
I need to catch the next train.
Perfect. Now remember to use these in your own daily conversations.
I totally will. Like, I just missed my bus this morning.
Here's a challenge for you. Narrate your commute in English tomorrow. Describe everything you see, hear, and feel.
Every struggle during your commute is a chance to practice English and find humor in those daily life moments.
So, the next time you face commuting challenges, remember to think of it as a classroom on wheels. Learn, laugh, and tell your story in English.
Thanks for joining us today, everyone. Safe travels on your journey to mastering English.